There's no need to tell you that Samsung today introduced the Galaxy S23 series, which includes the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As is typical for an introduction of this magnitude, Samsung released several videos to promote its 2023 flagship line, and I would like to show them to you. Some of these videos could end up being edited to appear as television commercials. Let's start with the official unboxing video for the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus. Samsung is proud of the new boxes it created for the Galaxy S23 line, which uses recycled paper. Besides the Galaxy S23 or Galaxy S23 Plus, inside the box is a quick start guide, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and the ejection pin to open the SIM card tray. You'll notice that there is no charging brick or wired earbuds, as these have now been removed from boxes like this one for years. Also in the box are paper protectors from the front and back of the device that prevent minor scratches while the phone is in the box. The video also mentions that the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the device sports an Armor aluminum frame. The Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus share the same rear camera array, 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera that delivers 3x optical zoom. Both models are equipped with a 12 megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and video chats. Color options include lavender, green, phantom black, and cream. There are two colors exclusive to orders placed through the Samsung.com website, lime and graphite. The Galaxy S23 features a 6.1-inch display, and the Galaxy S23 Plus comes with a 6.6-inch screen. The next video shows the unboxing of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The same items found in the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus boxes are in the Galaxy S23 Ultra box, including the phone, the quick start guide, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and an ejection pin for the SIM card tray. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen carries a Quad HD Plus resolution, while it has the same Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for the display and an Armor aluminum frame for the body. Only this model has the S Pen in the box and a silo to house it on the handset. While the color options match those available for the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus, there are two additional exclusive colors for the Samsung.com site, sky blue and red. The rear camera setup stars the 200 megapixel wide camera that we've talked about for months, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a pair of 10 megapixel telephoto camera. One offers 3x optical zoom and the other delivers 10x optical zoom. There is a 12 megapixel selfie snapper and a 5,000 mAh battery. Samsung has been talking about the improved low-light photography on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. To prove it, the manufacturer created a video showing off the amazing low-light capabilities of the camera setup on its top-of-the-line flagship phone. Everybody will want to be sent a copy of these images, says Samsung. It's a brilliant ad, and we're surprised that Apple and Google never tried this before. Moving along now, the next video shows how you can use the Galaxy S23 Ultra in conjunction with Sammy's new Book 3 Ultra laptop. A photo is snapped of a cat named Jenny, who is celebrating a birthday. The photo is dragged and dropped into the Book 3 Ultra and is edited on the computer. The tagline reads, "Capture the epic, create the epic." The next two videos were created to introduce the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Galaxy S23, and the Galaxy S23 Plus. Pre-orders are now being accepted, and the phones will be released on February 17th. Which phone you are going to purchase? S23, S23 Plus, or S23 Ultra? Comment down below. See you tomorrow. Peace out.